ஆயிட்டு இருக்கு மச்சான். வரலையேடா.
ஒரு நிமிஷம். இப்ப தெரியுதாடா?
Okay. So okay, my product is watermelon ice cream. So why I took this product is like mostly வந்து watermelon ice cream வந்து மார்க்கெட்ல பார்க்க முடியாது. Like இந்த ப்ராடக்ட் வந்து like லைக் இந்த ப்ராடக்ட் வந்து எப்படி வந்து லைக் யூனிக்னஸ்னா பாத்தீங்கன்னா லைக் அதான் வாட்டர்மெலான் ஐஸ்கிரீம் வந்து மார்க்கெட் அவ்வளோ பார்க்க முடியாது. லைக் அப்புறம் வந்து ப்ராடக்ட் வந்து லைக் குவான்டிட்டியும் நல்லா இருக்கும், லைக் குவாலிட்டியும் நல்லா இருக்கும், பட் அட் லோ காஸ்ட். லைக் இந்த அருண் ஐஸ்கிரீம் குவாலிட்டி வால்ஸ்லாம் பாத்தீங்கன்னா தே ஹேவ் ஐஸ்கிரீம்ஸ் ஃப்ரம் ₹5 and ₹10. அந்த மாதிரி இந்த ப்ராடக்ட்டும் லைக் குவாலிட்டியும் நல்லா இருக்கும், பட் ப்ரைஸும் அட் லோ காஸ்ட். அண்ட் டார்கெட் ஆடியன்ஸ் இஸ் லைக் கிட்ஸ் அண்ட் ஐஸ்கிரீம் லவர்ஸ் எல்லாருக்கும். தட்ஸ் ஆல். ஓகேவா?
ஓகேடா. anyone has questions to ask?
அதெல்லாம் இருக்கா?
Hello, Gokul. My question is that இப்போ இந்த வாட்டர்மெலன் வந்து சீசன் டைம் தானே உங்களுக்கு கிடைக்கும். You will get only in season time, sir. இப்போ சீசன்ல டைம் what you will make? What you do?
இல்ல இப்போ மேங்கோ ஐஸ்கிரீம் பாத்தீங்கன்னா வந்து சீசன்ல மட்டும் கிடைக்கும்னு சொல்ல முடியாது. லைக் இயர் ஃபுல்லா கிடைக்கும். லைக் வந்து நம்ம இது ஐஸ்கிரீம் தான், நாட் ஃப்ரூட்டா விக்கல. ஸோ அது வந்து லைக் ஆர்டிஃபிஷியல் ஃபிளேவர்ஸ் தான் மோஸ்ட்லி எல்லா ஐஸ்கிரீம்ஸ்லாம் ஆட் பண்ணுவாங்க. ஸோ அதே மாதிரி தான் இருக்கும்.
ஓகே, அப்ப நேச்சுரல் கிடையாது, நேச்சுரல் ஐஸ்கிரீம் கிடையாது.
நேச்சுரல் எதுவுமே கிடையாது. நேச்சுரல்
ஓகே,
ஜஸ்ட் ஃபார் மார்க்கெட்டிங் அப்படி சொல்லுவாங்க.
வேற யூனிக்னஸ் இருக்காடா? லைக் மெல்டிங் டைம் வந்து கொஞ்சம் எக்ஸ்ட்ரா அந்த மாதிரி.
லைக் நார்மல் எல்லா ஐஸ்கிரீம்ஸும் இருக்க மாதிரி தான், ஸ்பெசிஃபிக்கா எதுவும் இல்லை.
கோகுல், நான் ஒரு கொஸ்டின்டா. இது வந்து are you planning to like sell it to retail stores or you'll have your own brand and sell it?
ரீட்டைல் ஸ்டோர்ஸ் அந்த மாதிரி தான். லைக் அதான் பேக்கெட்ல வரும் ஐஸ்கிரீம்.
ஓகே.
பேக்கரி, சூப்பர் மார்க்கெட்ஸ் அந்த மாதிரி.
ஓகே ஓகே.
Gokul, I have a question.
Yeah.
You said it's written like mostly you can't find the watermelon ice cream in the market, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so actually I think there are watermelon ice creams in Amul or Arun, I think. You know those fruit ice creams they've been producing recently?
Yeah, லைக் நானும் அதை பார்த்தேன். பட் அந்த வாட்டர்மெலன் ஐஸ்கிரீம்ஸ் வந்து லைக் மில்க் பேஸ்டா இருக்கு. லைக் இது வந்து இப்போ வந்து மேங்கோ ஐஸ்கிரீம்ஸ்ல சிலது வந்து மில்க் பேஸ்டா சிலது இருக்கும். லைக் வெறும் வந்து அந்த ஜூசி மேங்கோ டேஸ்ட்ல ஒன்று வரும். ஸோ இது வந்து அந்த கேட்டகரியில வரும். ஒன்லி வாட்டர்மெலனோட அந்த ஒரு வாட்டர் கண்டென்ட் இருக்க மாதிரி இருக்கும் ஐஸ்கிரீம். ஸோ மில்க் ஆட் பண்ணாம இருக்கும்.
ஹலோ கோகுல். வந்து இது எப்படி பியூர் வாட்டர்மெலனா இல்ல மின்ட், லெமன் அந்த மாதிரிலாம் ஆட் பண்ணிருக்கீங்களா எக்ஸ்ட்ரா ஃபிளேவர்ஸ்க்கு?
இல்ல, வாட்டர்மெலன் ஃபிளேவர் அவ்வளவுதான். ஒன்லி வாட்டர்.
போஸ்டர்ல வந்து மின்ட்லாம் போட்டுருக்கீங்களே, அதான் கேட்டேன். மின்ட், லெமன்
போஸ்டர்க்காக போட்டேன். லைக் ஐஸ்கிரீம் வந்து பியூர் வாட்டர்மெலன் ஃபிளேவர்ல தான் வரும்.
Okay.
Okay, can we move on to the next person? We have limited time. So.
Okay.
Next is, I think, Sambi, I think you need. This is yours, right?
Yeah, this is mine.
Okay.
So this is basically about, it's a glove, okay? Like you have heard about, this paper soaps and all, right? The dry ones. So it's one of those, it's made of, the surface is made of one of those material, but it doesn't melt. So when you rub your hands, it can melt, and it's easier to use in public. You can wear a mask every day, you can go out, you can you needn't have to go and search for tap or sanitize each and every time, since sanitizers now are very dangerous. When you eat without actually washing your hands after sanitizing, is not it's not healthy. People have been facing a lot of problems. So this is another alternative I've found to, since this uh, era is full of all this virus and everything is spreading all over. So yeah, this protects you from viruses and bacteria. It's comfortable and gentle to your skin, easy to wear. Yeah, this is my product. You can ask me any questions.
Is there like any particular reason you chose this color to display?
Yeah, so this color, basically, people would want their skin color. Like in case if you're not in a hill station means you can wear like different colors and they know that it's for cold and everything. So when you're in cities, when you want it to your skin color, you can just wear it. Like it won't affect your outfit or anything like that. So there are
Okay.
colors. So this is the basic one.
Okay. Anyone else has any questions?
Okay, Sambhavi, I really like your product, but I have one question for you.
Yeah,
For example, there are reusable gloves in the market. So how is
yeah.
your product different from this one?
Yeah,
Reusable
this one is the surface is made of the, I told you, the soap papers. So once you rub your hands, it actually it forms that foam kind of thing and it dries on its own. So you needn't have to hunt for a tap or anything else. It's
Okay.
like, what to say, if in case you're in contact with a virus, so this corona thing, no, only when actually masks are not as important as gloves or anything. Only when you touch the virus and you touch your face, it comes on to you and it can enter your body. So once you rub your hands, the virus can't survive in that soap. So it just like you got it right.
Yeah. Also, I was wondering, this thing cannot replace the gloves which the doctors are using, right?
Those are surgical gloves.
Yeah. So that cannot be,
Yeah.
it cannot be replaced. Also,
No,
who is your target
it's
audience?
totally different from the. They can't use this gloves, and doctors can't use this gloves because this contains soap in it.
Yeah.
So these two are like totally different.
Okay, who is your target audience?
Target audience is normal people who go to work, everyday work, and it mostly age group of the ones who go to office for work and everything, who have a lot of contact with people. Yeah, it's them.
Okay, nice.
Yeah.
Okay, I think I'm next.
Okay, thank you.
So this is my product. It's basically like a digital backpack. The idea behind it is like serves more than a backpack. Its purpose. So yeah, you can use it as a speaker. It has built-in speakers to it, which don't like they're concealed, so you can't see them. And they also have a LED screen, which like the JBL Pulse speaker, where uh, the lights change according to the music. Similarly here the lights change, and the material is also a sustainable material, and at the same time it's waterproof. Though it has electronics in it, the shell covers it from like waterproof. So the shell is waterproofing, and yeah, the target audience is mostly youngsters and college-going students. Uh, yeah, that's it. Anyone has any questions?
Do you have to charge it?
Yeah, you have a USB. I think you can see it over here. Yeah, so it's like a USB. You just need to charge it. A battery life is about like 10 to 11 hours.
Okay.
Okay, how much weight can it carry? For example, this must kg.
Weight, the backpack itself is basically lightweight, though it has like a speaker and everything which is built in, because the shell over here is basically like rubber, if you can see it. So weight, you can load up to like 3 to 4 kilos.
Okay, da. Why you keep speakers, ra? What's the use of that?
The idea is like it serves more than a backpack, and basically like 2-in-1 basically. So yeah.
Okay.
Is it a breakable product? Like if in case it falls or hits anything hard?
Yeah, the shell may look like that because it's kind of like hard plastic. The main reason for that is because it needs to like be waterproof. But yeah, even if the shell breaks, you have this rubber material inside, and even if it breaks, you can just replace this plastic shell. Anyone else have any questions?
So அப்ப அந்த ஷெல் வந்து தனியா மாட்டணுமா?
In case it breaks, you will have a warranty. So 2 years warranty. If it breaks within the time period, the shell will be replaced.
Okay.
Can we move on to the next
Go
question?
for next one.
Okay. Sanya, right? Next.
Yeah.
Okay.
So my product is these spectacles, which is digital spectacles. So like the people who have power or lens, like who wear lens or glasses on a regular basis, so their power changes every 6 months or 4 months. It depends on person. So every time your power increases or decreases, you have to change your specs, and the previous specs which you're using is of no use. So it adds to the environment and unnecessarily. So here we provide, there's a button on the side where you can increase or decrease your power according to your necessity, and there's also a button on the left side which also can through which you can change the color of the frame that's for fashion, like to match your outfit, etc. And you don't have to worry about the charging of the device because it is battery operated. Also when we get our glasses, the frame breaks quite often. So that is also that also adds up to the waste. So this product is unbreakable or break resistance lens, or as well as the frame. And also on the lens lens of the frame, there is a layer which protects you from the UV rays, harmful UV rays. So
The
that's
battery
it.
you mentioned, how long does the battery last for?
Probably 2 months.
Okay.
Okay, you said it adjusts with any power thing, no? So
Yeah.
a few the glasses vary in sizes for each power. What is the size of this glass if it has to manage with any power?
So yeah, you can increase or decrease the size of the lens. Like you can increase or decrease your number. You can't change the lens. You can only increase or decrease the number. It is like the size of the lens differs just because of the power. But in the single screen itself, you can increase or decrease the power. So it won't change the size of the lens. It will only change the power. So if you have myopia, hypermyopia, it can be adjusted accordingly. Can you understand, Sambhavi?
Yeah.
Any other questions?
Okay, can we go to the next person? Akshay.
Hi, da. My product is brush, simply electronic brush. Excuse me. This product is like normal toothbrush, but different from standard brush that we are using. And it has an automatic sensor where once our dirt all been removed, it stops automatically, so it saves current or battery something. And another thing is which it do not want to recharge the power from normal supply of electric current. I have placed a small battery which can be get from small shops like it is very less expensive, and this battery stands among a month, 30 days we can get a battery, and it's very less expensive. They're like easily 100 rupees, and we can get from anywhere, any shops like normal shops, small shops, and it saves times and make easy. And the target audience all working people, and also many small children will be eager to use this products. They will have a curiosity like how it works and like that. Thank you.
Isn't this idea like already there in the market? I think Philips have their electronic toothbrush. So
Yeah, but many advantages in Philips. We want current supply, and the power backup is very less. And I have inserted a normal battery which can be used, and it has more time of usage. The power backup is more.
okay.
And also I have been inserted a sensor like how once it automized the cleaning process, and once the tooth or mouth has been cleaned, it automatically stops, so people comes to know, and it saves times once it, but it will complete its work within short period of time. Any other
Akshay,
questions? Yeah.
இப்போ வந்து லைக் இதுல சென்சார் இருக்கு, லைக் எலக்ட்ரிக் பிரஷ் இவ்வளவு இருக்கு, லைக் இவ்வளவு இருக்கு, பட் 100 rupees வந்து லைக் ப்ராஃபிட் தருமா?
ஆமாடா, நம்ம ஆக்சுவலி இப்போ இதில் யூஸ் பண்ணுறது எப்படின்னா நார்மல் இதில் இன்னொரு என்னன்னா ரப்பர்ஸ் தான், ஃபுல்லாகவே ரப்பர்ஸ், மினிமம் பிளாஸ்டிக்ஸ். ஸோ இட் வில் பி வெரி ஃப்ளெக்சிபிள். உனக்கு என்ன வாட்டர் சப்ளை நிறைய இருந்தாலுமே உள்ள இருக்கிற பார்ட்ஸ் வந்து டேமேஜ் ஆகாது. ஸோ வந்து நிறைய ப்ராடக்ட் வந்து வேஸ்ட் ஆகிறதுக்கு வாய்ப்பு இல்லை. ஸோ நான் சொன்ன மாதிரி சேம் தட் நான் வந்து எலக்ட்ரிக் சப்ளை கரண்ட் எதுவுமே யூஸ் பண்ணுறேன், நார்மல் பேட்டரி தான். ஸோ இட் கேன் பி ரீப்ளேசபிள் ஈஸிலி தான்.
ஓகே ஓகே.
Everything that I used in this is the things which can the brush all we can see in normal standard brush only. So expensive வந்து ரொம்ப கம்மியா தான் இருக்கும்.
Akshay,
Yeah.
as Pranav said, this brush is already in the market, like the battery one, not the current one.
Okay.
So I've actually seen this brush in the market. It kind of is like 90% similar to your product.
No, like the Philips and another this electronic brush all have many small like advantages. There is no every brush has we must recharge its like from the current supply only. But there are only 2 or 3 brushes that you're saying like battery brushes. It will not be same as that you say the product or the market.
Okay, what is the unique thing about your product that the other brushes don't have, like from the other electronic brushes?
Yeah, it is made up of only rubber. So the water content, the usage of water may not affect the brush. Like if a plastic means it may be brokenable easily. So it is made up of rubber, so it may be more flexible, and it saves time. Like once the dirt or the germs been removed from the mouth, it stops automatically. So people may come to know, okay, my mouth has been cleaned. Next question. Okay, Pranav, that's all it seems now.
Yeah, okay then.
Can we leave the meeting? Did you